Welcome to your computer application class, class 9. In this part of the video, we will switch over to your new topic, data types, variables, and values in Java. In this chapter, we will consider the following points. First, character sets, then ASCII codes, Unicode, tokens, escape sequence, constant and variables, and data types. Let's begin with character sets. Character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character can represent any letter, digit, or any other sign. Following are some of the Java character sets: letter A to Z, digits 0 to 9, special symbol plus minus multiplications and so on, white space, blank spaces, horizontal spaces. Other characters are 256 ASCII characters or literals. Here, ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. They are a character coding standard for electronic communication. Every character in a computer, like alphabets, symbols, has an assigned numeric code. This code varies from 0 to 256. These codes is also known as ASCII codes or American Standard Code for Information Interchange Code. Here we have the table of ASCII codes. Please go through the table properly. Next we have Unicodes. Unicode is an international encoding standard for use with different languages and scripts, by which each letter and digit or symbol is assigned a unique numeric value that applies across different platforms and programs. The main difference between ASCII codes and Unicode is in the way they encode the characters and the number of bits that they use for each. ASCII used 7 bits to encode each character, and Unicode uses a variable bit encoding program where you can choose between 32, 16, and 8-bit coding. Next we have tokens. The basic element in Java are known as tokens. A smallest individual element of Java program that is meaningful to the compiler is known as token. You can break a Java program into tokens. All the tokens of a program are together known as token sets. The tokens supported by Java are keyword, identifiers, variables, constant, literals, operators, and punctuators or separators. Keywords are predefined set of words that have special meaning within the compiler. They cannot be used as identifier in your program, as each one of them is reserved for a special purpose. And identifiers is a sequence of characters used to name variables, method, classes, packages, and interfaces. They present names of different components of Java program. There are some rules for naming an identifier. The identifier must be composed of alphabets, numbers, the underscore sign, and dollar sign. Neither spaces nor punctuation marks can be part of an identifier. The name of identifier can only begin with an alphabet or underscore. It cannot match any keyword of Java language nor the compiler reserved keywords. Next is operators. Operators are the symbols that indicate the type of operations. Java has to perform various operations on constant or variables. For example, 5 plus 6. We had learned operators in your previous chapter in a brief manner. You can consider that video for the better understanding of operators. Java operators can be classified as unary, binary, and ternary based on the numbers of operands taken. Java operators fall into the following categories: assignment operator, then arithmetic operator, increment operator, decrement operator, relational operators, logical operator, bitwise operator, and conditional operator. Next, we have punctuators. Punctuators in Java are special characters that have special meaning in the compiler. They do not perform any particular operations to give some result. These are also called separators. Some of them are categorized as operators. Punctuators can be your curly brackets, square brackets, and so on. Followings are the separators in Java. Please consider it very properly. Thank you.